Jai Hind, gentlemen.
Jai Hind, sir.
Okay, you are just SSB batch 16 by 2024. Batch is completed. I think you got confidence?
Yes, sir.
All the part has been completed here. All the GTO, psychology, interview. Hope you have done well. You have been taught very well all about the phase 1, phase 2. You can say stage 1 and stage 2 for the 5 days procedure, including your mock interview, including your complete preparations of group tasks, individual tasks, everything.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now you have got all the observations, all the part where you have been lagging behind. Now it's a duty after going from this place. Just complete all the observations like communication skill part. If you are weak in this communication skills, improve your communication skills all the way. This is the requirement for the interview. Okay?
Yes, sir.
If you feel that you are not physically fit, do some exercises on regular basis. Make a habit of reading. Okay?
Yes, sir.
You know that SSB is only for selection, not for rejections. Update your current affairs. This is very important. You all are going to the defense forces to become defense officer. Hope you got the dates here. Have you got all the dates of SSB?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now we are going for different SSB for Air Force, Navy and Army. First of all, get the complete information about the armed forces. What is the latest information of the armed forces? In the Navy, what is the latest aircraft carrier? What is the organization of Navy? What is the Air Force organizations? What is the Army organizations? You will be asked some questions from defense forces. Okay? About current affairs. Have you got the joining instructions, joining dates? Basically, joining instruction you got in email?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Correct. You'll find each and everything in joining instructions. Just go through the complete information about the SSB. SSB center, about your documents. Get ready your documents, uniform, your turnouts. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Before going for SSB, for final and different SSB boards, get ready your documents. The document parts are very important, I am telling you. SSR want to see the potential of the candidates here. Whenever you are sitting in front of interviewing officer, you will see the confidence level. You have been taught here about the interview, your body language, your face expressions, your communication skills, your current affair knowledge, everything will be checked. Dear students, basically for your forthcoming SSB, wish you all the best on behalf of Doon Defense Academy, entire staff and faculty. You do well and come back with flying colors. Okay?
Yes, sir.
How are the Joes for the SSB now?
Hi, sir.
How are the Joes for SSB?
Hi, sir.
Good. Now after some time, the Colonel sir will come here. So basically token of appreciation by the giving this plastic flower. Okay? And when you will have a final selection, okay? Then you will come back with the original. Okay?
Yes,
तो आपको पता है ना, आपको दून डिफेंस एकेडमी से जो भी स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ से नॉर्मली जाते हैं फाइनल सिलेक्शन, उनको क्या मिलता है? 10,000 का कैश अवार्ड. ठीक है?
Okay, gentlemen, girls and boys, your course has come to an end today. Okay, and for last 15 days, we not only prepared the students for SSB, you can consider it as a transformational journey in the personality changes that has been brought in you. Okay, along with the preparation of SSB. SSB preparation and life is a journey. Continue with all the resources that you have to be disposed of for your preparation. Clear? As a customary, whenever a course pass out, we hand over a small flower to each student, reminding him of our association for these 15 days. And the message attached with it is that when you come back after selection, you come back with a bouquet and we return another bouquet to you with a prize also that has been decided by the DDA. So to start this procedure, we will request the first girl from this side to come and start the proceedings. Thank you.
My name is Anu. I belong to from Charkitala district in Haryana state. I have cleared my ND exam and now I have take coaching from the Doon Defense Academy.
Good morning everyone, my name is Anubhuti Dhasmana and I am from Dehradun, Uttarakhand. I have cleared my CDSE exam and have joined DDA for SSB.
I am Mahmood Mani, I am from Alwar, Rajasthan. I am going to appear for my NDA 154th SSB.
Good morning everyone, my name is Parth Joshi. I am from Bageshwar, Uttarakhand. I am going to face ND 154 SSB.
All the best.
All the best.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Alok Kumar Yadav and I am from Devariya district of Uttar Pradesh.
All the best.
Good. All the best.
My name is Sumit Kumar Singh and I am from Muzaffarpur district of Bihar.
All the best.
Jai Hind, my name is Utkarsh Verma. I am from Sitamarhi, Bihar, and I am going for 154th SSB of NDA.
All the best.
Thanks.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Aryan Srivastava. I am from Balia, Uttar Pradesh.
All the best.
Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Himanshu Punia from Pilani, Rajasthan, and I will be giving my first SSB.
All the best.
Jai Hind to everyone. My name is Sumit Kumar Singh. I belong to Muzaffarpur district of Bihar. I came here for NDA preparation. I cleared my NDA written exam in first attempt. I took SSB from the Doon Defense Academy. I got a lot of confidence from here, from GTO sir and from psychologist sir. And I was lacking behind in GTO, but Ravi sir taught me very hard, and he realized my weakness where I lacking. So I worked on it and I overcome somehow some percentage. And I also lack in the psychology part. So Colonel Sudhir Verma sir has cooperated me a lot. So I also worked on hard and I got lot of confidence right from here. And I am very confident that I will clear my SSB in my first attempt. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone, I am Himanshu Punia from Pilani, Rajasthan. I cleared my CDS examination and also Navy SSC Tech entry. Then I thought I should take coaching. Then my mom told me about Doon Defense Academy and I came here, and from last 14 days I am learning a lot and also improving a lot, and teachers here are very cooperative, like Ravi sir and Sudhir sir has encouraged me a lot, and I think I will be able to clear my both the SSBs in first attempt itself. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Mayank Virmani. I am from Alwar, Rajasthan. I have cleared my written exam of NDA 2. I have taken classes from DDA. It was a nice experience being here, and I am confident that I'll do well in my SSB. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Alok Kumar Yadav and I am from Devariya district of Uttar Pradesh, and I have cleared my NDA written exam from Doon Defense Academy, and also have taken the SSB coaching from Doon Defense Academy, and under the guidance of Colonel Verma sir and GTO's Ravi Patel sir, I got all the information about SSB interview. It also boosted my confidence, so I am ready for my interview. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Utkarsh Verma. I am from Sitamarhi, Bihar. I have cleared my written of NDA 154th course during my appearing in class 12, and I have taken SSB training from Doon Defense Academy, Dehradun, and here Patel sir and Colonel Sudhir Verma sir has taught many things about psychology, interview and GTO, and I am confident that I can clear my SSB in first attempt. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Aryan Srivastava. I hail from Balia. I came here for SSB coaching after I got shortlisted for TS 53, and under guidance of Colonel sir and GTO sir Ravi Patel sir, I have prepared well for SSB, and I hope I will do well in the upcoming SSB. And happy new year to everyone. I wish a great year ahead to everyone.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Parth Joshi. I am from Bageshwar, Uttarakhand. When I cleared NDA exam, I had to prepare for SSB. So my father told me about Doon Defense Academy in Dehradun. So he sent me there, and initially I used to hesitate in communication. My communication skills were not quite good. So here the trainers guided us in very appropriate manner and taught where I am lacking my skills. Then I improved it. Now I am very confident in giving lectures in front of many people. So I hope I will do very well in SSB also. Thank you.
Kindly subscribe DDA YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.